Okay, so today we're going to be learning about how a muscle contracts. So the first step in order for a muscle to contract is a motor neuron sends a impulse to the muscle fiber. It has an axon terminal, which represents right here, the yellow part, and then the sarcolemma, which is the membrane of the muscle fiber. The axon terminal then sends neurotransmitters over to the sarcolemma, which then sends an action potential in both directions. The action potential then goes down to the T tubule, which is right here, and then the DHP receptor then sends a signal to the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is located inside the cell, or the muscle fiber, sorry, which then holds the calcium inside the muscle fiber.
So after the sarcoplasmic reticulum sends calcium to the troponin, which then is bind to the tropomyosin, the calcium then attaches to the troponin, which then opens up the binding sites for the actin. And then after that, ATP is broken down into ADP and P phosphate. And then when that occurs, then it is then broken down further into ADP, which then allows the myosin heads to bind to the actin. And then after that, then the myosin heads do the power stroke, which then brings the actin towards the middle of the sarcomere. And then at the end of this, then ATP then breaks apart the myosin heads and the actin, which is known as the cross bridge. And then the process starts all over again, and that is the process of muscle contraction.